Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a super powerful and often used JavaScript pattern, the IIFE, or Immediately Invoked Function Expression. This isn't just a quirky syntax, it's a fundamental building block for creating isolated code blocks and preventing global scope pollution. Understanding IIFEs is crucial for writing robust, modular, and conflict-free JavaScript, especially in larger applications or when integrating third-party libraries. At its core, an IIFE is simply a function expression that's immediately invoked. The key is the syntax. You wrap a function declaration in parentheses, making it a function expression, and then immediately follow it with another set of parentheses to call it. This creates a new, temporary execution context. Any variables or functions declared inside this IIFE are confined to its local scope, meaning they aren't accessible from the global scope, effectively achieving encapsulation. This pattern ensures that your internal variables don't clash with others and are automatically garbage collected after execution if not captured by a closure. You can use this IIFEs are incredibly useful when you need to execute code once without polluting the global scope, such as during initialization scripts. They are foundational for implementing the module pattern, allowing you to define private variables and expose a public interface. You'll also see them used extensively in libraries to wrap their entire codebase, ensuring their internal workings don't conflict with other scripts on the page. Now let's break down the code line by line. First, we begin by defining a function expression, which is immediately wrapped in parentheses. This crucial step converts the function declaration into an expression, making it a value that can be immediately executed, rather than just declared. Then, inside this function expression, we declare a constant variable called message and assign it the string value hello from IIFE. This variable is now strictly confined to the local scope of this function. Then, we call the console.log method, passing our message variable as its argument. This action will print the string hello from IIFE to the console when the function executes. Then, the closing parenthesis completes our function expression. The subsequent empty parentheses act as the invocation operator, immediately calling and executing the function we just defined, hence immediately invoked. Then, this line confirms the expected output. It demonstrates that the code within the IIFE successfully ran, and the console.log statement produced its intended result in the console. Finally, this commented line highlights a key benefit. Attempting to access message outside the IIFE's scope would trigger a reference error, unequivocally proving that the variable remains private and encapsulated. And that's the IIFE. A simple yet powerful pattern for controlling scope and managing your JavaScript code effectively. If you found this helpful, give us a like. And please, comment below and tell me what JavaScript concept you'd like me to explain next.